Hi guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a bandana necklace using these materials. First thing we're going to do is take a bandana and we're going to cut it in half with the triangle down and the triangle up. And we're going to cut that through the middle, and then we're going to cut it about 2 inches to 3 inches wide in that section. And I'm just pulling on it here and roughing it up a little bit because I like there to be some fringe on mine. And we're going to start making our little bead droplets. I'm just using some head pins here and a mixture of the beads that I showed at the beginning. This one that has the America bead, it's called the Stars and Stripes Patriotic Bead Mix. It's from Dress It Up Buttons. And then I have mixed the Design by Me mini mix and the what was the other mixture I had? The Americana bead mix there in the bowl. So here I'm just putting them onto head pins. I'm doing a wrap loop, but you can do simple loops if you prefer that. And I'm just going to snip the wire then and push that down in. And then I'm just going to continue here making the bead dangles. And I'm going to do 2 of each that I make so that the necklace can be balanced on either side. And here I'm just using a piece of wire with a loop on the end instead of a head pin, just to give myself a little bit more room to work with the stars because I wanted a longer bead dangle with the star on it. And it shows you there I'm just making a loop on the end. And I continue to build. Here are the finished dangles that I made. And I have my jump rings, and I'm going to find the center of my bandana, and I'm going to put my S in the center because that'll just give me an idea. You can move things around once they're on, but I just kind of like to work out. It keeps it a little simpler if you find the center. So I'm just going to put my jump ring on my S, hook it, twist my bandana a little bit here so it'll fit on easier. I kind of puts the fibers together and it's not so hard to get the jump ring around. And then you're just going to close that jump ring. And then we're just going to continue that. We're going to grab a beaded dangle, put a jump ring on, hook it to our bandana. So here is our finished piece, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I just put a knot in the back of mine, but you could also add any kind of closure to it. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.